So it's absolutely stunning here in Granada. I haven't really seen anything similar to this. The Moorish influence is everywhere. Absolutely adorable. I feel like I'm in Morocco or something. It's a very beautiful atmosphere here. It's, wow, so different. Maybe it's because it's a university place. So it's a bit sad we cannot access the Alhambra. It was fully booked for the coming 5 days and we're gonna be here about 4 days, so let's see how we'll do that in the future. But right now, gonna stumble into the old town here and see what this city is about. So one really interesting feature that the Islamic culture left behind is architecture's oval shaped domes and have its tiles. I don't know if that's exactly the pattern. You will see a lot of cool, interesting geometrical, mathematically influenced patterns. Really cool art. And according to their culture, they cannot depict a human face. So that's why you have these other kinds. So if you see on the structure here, it looks like that used to be a bridge or a wall that was connecting the old palaces. It was probably really heavily guarded, but take a look. So we're standing here on this plaza and wow, don't we got a beautiful cathedral here. Check it out. We're gonna see if we can go in. Come on. Can you read it? Some text. Back on the street and sun is shining. didn't think that, did you? So we're supposed to be in the former Jewish quarter right now. Let's try the first local churros ever. No wonder why people call this the Little Marrakesh. Wow, the city is so beautiful during the night time. It really transforms itself. I have no idea where I am. I'm just walking and I feel totally lost. I feel like I'm transported back in time to 500 or 1000 years. It's cool.